Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday party. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturdays. Lord, we in there, man. We in there, man. We party every day, man.
Woo!
We party every day.
Hey. Bologna party every day, mama. We party every day. Jemadari party every day.
5, 1, 3,
mama.
Man, that's what that is. You gonna be on the truck?
You got
be on the truck?
Yeah, she needs to be there.
You gonna be on the truck?
Yes.
Hey, we're gonna have another session there. Because he sent me a bit earlier, like 45 minutes.
I'm excited to harmonize and stack and layer the vocals.
It's nice, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
It's a
yeah,
mixing,
yeah,
you know.
yeah,
Mixing idea.
yeah.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
He showed mixing idea, perfect. Banane, Nayuka. We party. We party. We party every day. Music is a happiness.
That's just deep.
It is happiness.
Music is a happiness.
It's an outlet of self-expression.
Happiness.
I love it. I like creating music.
Yes.
We got to do it, you know. We need
got
to.
to.
You know,
This is how we
nobody wanna stop music.
Right.
Nobody wanna stop music. Nobody. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday party. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday party. Monday, Tuesday, Friday. Hey, we got a party. Hey, we party.
The one place that we get
Come together.
right. You know what I'm saying? Like,
That's deep. Yeah.
on a different kind of level, on a different continent.